I'm Ryuji. Today I'm gonna replace the distributor on this car. Distributor is a part of the engine for sending high voltage electricity to firing plugs one by one in correct order and timing. Sometimes my car's engine suddenly starts knocking and a few minutes later it's gonna stop. And I thought that was caused by my dying distributor. So I'm gonna replace it today. Before removing distributor, I'm gonna do little adjustment for ignition timing. I need to turn the crankshaft until the marking comes appear on top.
Each markings are means 5, 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, and minus 20 degrees of number one engine cylinder, and I set it up in minus 15 degrees.
Now it's time to remove the distributor. First, I need to disconnect these wires. Dos, tres, cuatro. Now remove the bolts. Save these bolts and take out. It's stuck. Coming out. Aha! I got it. Okay. Now attach the new distributor, but you should not tighten up the bolt yet. Make sure the distributor moving like this smoothly, and now adjust the ignition timing. Incorrect way to adjust the ignition timing is using timing light, but I don't have timing light, so I need to adjust manually.
First, Turn the engine's output shaft until the markings lines up to base position, which I just did before. Remove distributor. Connect all wires back on to the distributor. Turn the ignition switch on. Hook up spark plug onto the number 1 plug wire and turn the distributor until the plug sparks.
Okay. Okay, should be here, I think. Now it's time to firing up. Okay, now replacement is over and engines are running so well. So it's time to check on the street. Okay, it feels so great. Idling is much quieter than before and speeding up much smoother than before. And also the exhaust sound is much better than before. This is great. I recommend replace the distributor instead of cleaning inside the engine with some sort of chemical or something. Or of course, if you have distributor on your car. Okay, that's it for today. I'm shooting this before I check on the street, so I don't know if it's okay or not, but I hope it will okay. And I hope you can enjoy this video, and if you did, please give me thumbs up and subscribe me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.